In this video, I am going to share 6 dollar store kitchen organization ideas for any kitchen, large or small. Welcome to my channel. My name is Erica Lucas, and I share videos about living with less and minimalism on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. As a minimalist family in a small kitchen, we just have a couple of things that I use from the dollar store to organize. First is this shelf divider. It separates our small plates from our large plates, which makes it easy for the kids to put things away. It also makes it easy to grab things out of this cabinet. I also use them to separate our pots and our pans to make it easy to get things in and out of this cabinet. We only have a few things as a minimalist family anyway. In the dollar store, you will find these shelf dividers in the storage and organization section of your dollar store. Number 2 is a silverware tray. Mine is actually from Amazon and it's wooden. I love how it just separates all of the silverware easy for us. In the dollar store, you'll find them in a plastic version, very easy to wipe clean, and it's only $1. While we're here, I want to take a look at these baskets real quick and point them out. These are number 3, pantry baskets. You can organize all kinds of things in your pantry with these different sizes and shapes and colors that you can find also in the storage and organization aisle of your dollar store. I use these exact ones in our pantry. We have a small kitchen, so we just have this dedicated section for pantry. I have 3 bins from the dollar store that I use, one for snacks, one for our common items for our common meals, our regular meals, and then another one for baking. The 4th item from the dollar store that you can use to organize your kitchen are drawer organizers. These particular ones are really nice and they were only $1. They have these rubber grip bottoms and then the rubber inside lining so things don't slide around inside of the organizer. This is actually the reason I went to the dollar store this week, was to find drawer organizers. Now that we've been living with this drawer for a little while, I did want something that was going to hold things in place when we yank the drawer open. So I'm going to do that for you now. And I'm going to show you a little picture here of what our drawer used to look like before minimalism. Number 5 are fridge organizers. I actually grabbed 3 of these from the dollar store when I went there this week. These clear ones are great in the fridge. They're very easy to clean and organize items. You could use them to organize butter on a shelf, or you could use them as a meat defrosting tray, which is really great for keeping the bottom of your fridge clean. I actually used one for fruit. We always have fruit on our counter, and it usually just sits on the counter. I didn't have a bowl, so I used one for our fruit tray. And then I used another one to situate some extra towels in this drawer to keep them separated from my apron that goes in this drawer as well. Number 6 are spice organizers. These little baskets that can pull in and out of a cabinet or a drawer very easily and situate all your spices. In the dollar store, you're going to find these in the storage and organization aisle, just like the other pieces. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click subscribe for more videos about living with less and minimalism. You'll find kitchen decluttering tips on pages 13 and 14 in my Whole House Declutter workbook, which is available from my website at ericalucasloves.com. Thank you for watching this video, and here are some decluttering videos to watch next.